Hello dear students, I am going to make a lecture series on some topics in operation research. So today I am going to take a canonical form of LPP. So first we will understand what is canonical form of linear programming problem. So given LPP or an LPP is said to be in canonical form if the following conditions are satisfied. So first condition tells that the objective function must be maximization type. It should be a maximization, not minimization. If the objective function is of minimization type, so convert that minimization problem into maximization type. So this is the first condition. Second condition tells that all constraints must be a less equal type, except non-negative restriction means last one restriction is x comma y should be greater equals 0. Except that condition, all constraint or other equations are must be less equal type. If any constraint is of greater equal type, so we convert that greater equal type into less equal type by multiplying -1 throughout this constraint. Third condition tells that all decision variables are non-negative, means the variables that should we have to variable must be greater equals 0. So if these all conditions are satisfied or satisfied, then that linear programming problem is said to be in canonical form. So let us take example. So first example is given example is write the canonical form of linear programming problem, and LPP is minimize z equals to 6x plus 5y subject to x plus y less equal to 3x plus 2y less equal 10 and 5x plus 2y less equal 12. So for canonical form, first condition tells us that the objective function means this function. This is objective function. So first condition of canonical form tells us that the objective function must be in a maximization type, but given problem is of minimization type. So we convert this minimization problem into maximization by multiplying the objective function by -1. So canonical form is, so firstly we convert this minimization problem into maximization by multiplying -1. So required objective function is, let's say, z star. So maximize z star equals to -6x minus 5y subject to. So second condition of canonical form tells us that the all constraints, means these three constraints should be in a less equal type. So all these constraints are already in less equal type. So all these constraints should remain as it is. So subject to x plus y less equal to 3x plus 2y less equal 10 and 5x plus 2y less equal 12 with xy greater equal 0. So this is canonical form of given LPP. So let us take another example. So given question is convert the LPP in a canonical form, where LPP is maximize z equals to 4x plus 5y subject to 3x plus y less equal 5 and 2x plus y greater equal 6. So first condition of canonical form tells us that the given function must be a maximization type, but given LPP already is in maximization type, so this objective function remains as it is. Now for constraint canonical form, for constraints we should convert the given constraint into less equal type. So but first constraint already is in less equal type, so this constraint should remain as it is. But in second constraint, the second constraint is of greater equal type. So we convert this greater equal sign into the less equal by multiplying -1 throughout this inequality. So the canonical form of this equation or LPP is maximize Z equals to 4x plus 5y subject to first constraint remains as it is, means 3x plus y is less equal 5, and second constraint is minus 2x minus y, and this greater equal sign converts into less equal, and this is minus 6, and non-negative conditions are also, means third condition is also satisfied. So this form is called as a canonical form of given LPP. So take another example. So we have to convert this LPP into canonical form, and LPP is maximize Z equals to 4x plus 2y plus 3z, 2x plus 4z less equal 5, and second constraint is 2x plus 3y plus z is greater equal minus 4. Here given function is of maximization type, so first condition is satisfied. For first constraint, the constraint is of less equal type, so second condition is also satisfied for first constraint. But in second constraint, this constraint is of greater equal type, so we convert that constraint into less equal type by multiplying minus 1. So required canonical form is maximize Z equals to 4x plus 2y plus 3z subject to 2x plus 4z less equal 5, and second constraints we have to convert this greater equal into less equal by multiplying minus 1. So multiply LHS by minus 1, we get minus 2x minus 1 into minus 3y is minus 3y minus z, and this greater equal converts into less equal, and minus of minus 4 is plus 4, and non-negative conditions are as it is, means third condition is also satisfied. So this is the canonical form of given LPP. Next example, the canonical form of given LPP. So given LPP is minimize Z equals to 3x plus 4y subject to x minus y greater equal minus 1, and second constraint is 2x plus y less equal 3, and non-negative condition is also applied on x where y is unrestricted. Unrestricted means we cannot determine the value of y, means it is maybe negative, maybe positive. So firstly we convert this y into the two non-negative values. Let's say y, we can take y as y dash minus y double dash, because now let us take an example. Suppose we have y equals to minus 2, but we want this is greater equal 0. For that we replace that y dash as 4 minus 6, where 4 is positive, 6 is positive. Similarly this is y dash and this is y double dash. That's I do here. Now replacing y equals to y dash minus y double dash, we convert this LPP in canonical form. So canonical form is, so but here objective function is of minimization type, so we convert into maximization type. So again we multiply minimize Z equals to minus 3x plus 4, but y is y dash minus y double dash subject to first constraint. But first constraint is of greater equal type, so we again multiply first constraint by -1. So we get minus of x minus y is y dash minus y double dash is less equal minus of -1, and third constraint is already in less equal type, so we take it same. So y can be written as y dash minus y double dash less equal 3. So finally, after simplifying this, we get a canonical form as minimize z equals to, after multiplying minus into the brackets, we get minus 3x minus 4y dash minus minus get plus 4y double dash, subject to first constraint. So first constraint is minus of x minus of minus get plus y dash, minus of minus first we get plus and then minus, means this is y double dash less equal minus of -1 is 1, and the second constraint 2x plus y dash minus y double dash less equal 3 with non-negative conditions are applied on x, y dash, y double dash. This should be greater equal 0. So this is the canonical form of given LPP. I hope you will understand the canonical form of LPP. If any doubt regarding the canonical form, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.